Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and I just cleaned this room, and then I went and did about a 15 square foot area on a wool area rug, so that didn't take very long. And I'm back here into this room now, just doing the post vacuuming, and it's almost dry. It felt fairly wet the last pass I did, but I did a B-side of the Ironman pad, which I thought was appropriate. And anyway. No, I'm back in here like 15 minutes later or so, 20 minutes later, I guess, something like that. And the carpet is actually almost dry to the touch. And I'm about to post groom it with the Hoover Hush Stone. And you can see this, what looks like this is actually just a wear. You can see the pile is distorted. There's a double, just a rubbing from the feet rubbing over the many years. So anyway, we'll continue on and do the post vacuuming grooming. There were some stains along here, and they're all gone. This is a carpet has almost a velvety finish to it. It's really a beautiful rug, actually. And you can see it's just turning out, well, quite spectacular, really. It looks like brand new. Other than the wear, there's a little bit of wear in a few areas, but you can't unwear the rug, of course. I guess technically we're talking carpet. Rug is actually more accurately a term for an area rug. Broadloom is what this is. There were some stains on this side of the bed, and they're all gone as well, as usual. This carpet just looks incredible. It always does. With the SETT method, it just works so well. Soil extraction transfer technology That's all this carpet's had on it. Maybe they had a steam clean before I came along, but I think I've been cleaning for almost 10 years here. They probably had a steam clean before that, I guess, but once they saw how well the carpet cleaned and stayed clean, it was no contest. And that's one of the wonderful things about the SETT method. As long as you're using a quality, professional grade cleaning product and you are using the right technique, when you're cleaning with this method, not only will you get a better end result, but the carpet will stay clean up to 3 times longer than any other method, and that's a tremendous asset as time goes by. It just becomes known. You become known as having a method that stays clean. I can't tell how many times I've had people say to me, when I had the carpet cleaned by Oxy-Dry, it stayed clean much longer than what I'd been experiencing when I was getting it steam cleaned. There's just no comparison. And I'm better at doing this now than I was 10 years or 20 years or 30 years ago, that's for sure. I've learned a lot of things. I share these things that I've learned over the years in my videos, so I'm not holding anything back. I feel sorry for the guys that think that they have to go get a truck mount to operate a carpet cleaning business and go into debt for such a huge amount of money. You do not need to do that. But you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. See, you can see the wear, actual pile distortion. But it's clean. You can see that it's very clean, very bright. Alright, I'll let you go. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.